The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Ascension Parish in southeastern Louisiana, south central East Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana, eastern Iberville Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southwestern Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baton Rouge, Denham Springs, Gonzales, Oak Hills Place, St. Gabriel, Sorrento, Prairieville, Old Jefferson, Shenandoah, Village St. George, Inniswold, Westminster, Gardere, Marydale, Brownfields and Baton Rouge Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 156 and 184. Interstate 12 between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 110 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 7. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.